Most welcome to my channel, all about art. My dear friend, I am Mo. Today I will be talking about color perspective and we will try to understand these from today's artwork shown in this video. Before we start, if you get any value from this video, consider liking it and please subscribe to the channel to show your support. My dear friend, if you have ever visited the Northwest Pacific Ocean, I am sure you have found a scene like that redwood trees that starts growing until its own weight pulls it down. Why not try painting one? These trees attain gigantic dimensions, frequently more than 300 feet high. Our today's painting is based on this type of evergreen forest, a category containing multi-story forest, where more than 80% of tree species keep their leaves during the entire year. So, secondary color green is today's basic color. Let's take a quick look at the color green. Green is evoked by light which has a dominant wavelength of roughly 495 to 570 nanometers. And the most obvious reasons why we are so in love with green is the association with nature. Friend, actually green is a mixture of two primary colors, blue and yellow. These are somewhat opposite in the emotions they evoke. Not only that, people commonly perceive some colors as cool to the touch and other as hot. In this respect, blue is cool due to its association with water, and yellow is hot due to its association with sunlight. My dear friend, perspective is how artists place objects in a three-dimensional space on a two-dimensional picture plane. The basic rule you need to follow for this type of perspective is that object closest in the foreground will have the darkest shades. So the picture illustrates the darkest tone of the green forest are in the foreground with 60% blue, 20% burnt sienna and their shades. As the forest gets farther away into the distance towards the horizon, the tone gets paler with 60% chrome yellow and 20% lemon yellow and their shades. If your painting contains a large variety of colors, then how should we work on the color perspective? Friend, we will bring that topic in one of our future videos. Now, look at our today's work. Darkest tones in the foreground. The dark blue is used to pull your vision back, thus making depth. Middle tone around your middle distance with types of blues. Palest tone far away in the distance. The human eyes can detect the most subtle of shifts. Dear friend, a fantastic way of checking that tonal values, that is to say your color perspective is correct, is by squinting your eyes. If you enjoy this video, please stay with me, friend. Thank you. Thanks a lot.